No lie, I feel brutal as hell for even thinking about even watching this shit. Like that nigga whole booty hole is out though. Like, like nigga ain't got no hope. Like, bro, I just, bro, I just out of there. Like, nigga, it's 4 niggas in your ass right now, bro. Like, nigga. Ooh, they just pulled that nigga whole asshole out. Yo, what the fuck? What's that big ass white thing that just flew out that nigga butt? I know that shit hurt. This is horrible, bro. Bro trying to fight back. Nah, bro, your ass done. They eating the fuck out your ass. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Like, they ain't even choose to eat nowhere else but the ass. This is sad. Komodo dragon attack and eat a live deer. Why they always eating ass? Can he not move? Like, what happened? How you get to that position, man? How did he get in that position? That shit hurt. He can't go nowhere. That shit hurt. That shit me. Bro, like I feel all you can do is sit there. I would hate to see another motherfucker eat me alive just because this bitch wanna fucking eat. Weak ass lizard. Then they double teaming shit. Y'all ain't about to see the gates, buddy. Y'all ain't cooked. Y'all ain't about to see the gates, bro. Just because another bitch ass lizard wanna eat. Komodo fucking dragon wanna eat. That's nasty as fuck. Now they fighting over the damn food. That shit horrible. Nature is brutal.
Game ranger Peter Van Wyck has been tracking a pack of African wild dogs, and they've cornered a female bushbuck. As more dogs arrive, things are not looking good for the antelope.
Mother, if you start crying.
Nigga, you almost escaped. That was your moment to shine, gang. Like, right here. You sold. You sold. Like, you sold in every aspect of life. Now you're just looking at the camera like, you sold, bro. You done. Then you even in a rush to get up. You got a big ass hungry hippo coming. Goggle your
Mother,
shit.
if you start crying.
This is so sad. Why the dogs only picking on that but not the hippo? I'm so confused.
The large male hippo has killed the antelope and thrown it clear of the mud, leaving it as easy prey for the dogs.
Oh, who the fuck the hippo supposed to be? The fucking the savior of the day? Bro came, could have ate. Bro came, killed the shit for their ass and then dipped.
The hippo simply became fed up with the invasion of his space.
Ooh, miss. Strike one.
I think I'm evil for watching this. I think I'm evil. Yeah, yo ass done. Yo ass done, bro.
Grab two.
Yes, they do not deserve this though. But everybody gotta eat. I mean,
gotta stand back. I don't want to get hit.
I wish my snake could do that. They didn't go 5 months without eating.
Nice. He don't want to eat either.
I fucking hate rats, bro. Like, they don't even deserve they don't deserve to live, dude. He not even looking at bro. He like, bro, I already know what you about to do to me. He like, go on and give it to me. He like, go on and give it to me. He finna get him in 3, 2, 1. What? Little guy cried for help even after being swallowed alive. How the fuck can he do it so fast with that weight? That last one is kind of sad though. I can't hear it. Yo, that's crazy. Damn, he one of them ones. He one of us. Hold on. Wait, how can an animal get this big and they don't even eat meat? That shows you that fruits and vegetables are actually the way. I just jawed his ass. Bitch. Bitch.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
Sit your leg.
Опа-на.
Sit your leg down somewhere.
Ты боишься?
So your nuts just start itching out of nowhere. Like you just be chilling, then your whole balls just start itching.